Welcome to One in Trinity's tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding a CSF entry for a family. To begin, navigate to the family for whom the CSF entry needs to be added. This will take you to the Family Detail page, where you'll find the CSF tab. Here, you can see the duration for which the family has paid the CSF, as well as the last paid amount. This tab also provides a yearly summary of the family's CSF history, detailing the month, amount, paid on date, payment method, status, and the option to delete an entry if necessary. Next to each entry, you'll find an information button. Clicking on this will provide information about who entered the record and when it was added in the app. You can also filter the CSF history by year. Next to the filter button, click on the Add CSF button to add a new entry. A form will appear, prompting you to enter the following: the amount, the starting and ending month and year, representing the time period for which the CSF is paid, the mode of payment, and the date on which the payment was made. After filling in all the details, click Save. Ensure that all the values entered are correct, then press Yes, Sure, and that's it. The new CSF entry will now be added for the family and will be reflected in the CSF history summary. This concludes our tutorial on how to view CSF details and add a new CSF entry for a family in the system. For more such tutorial videos, subscribe to our channel and make sure to enable the bell icon to never miss an OIT update.